Rome. The name alone evokes images of gladiators, emperors, and breathtaking art. A city where history whispers from every cobblestone and monument. This isn't just a city you visit, it's a place you experience. Get ready to fall in love with the charm, the chaos, and the undeniable magic of Rome. Let me be your guide to 3 perfect days in this unforgettable city. Our Roman adventure begins where the city itself did, the Colosseum. This iconic structure, once the epicenter of entertainment, still stands as a testament to Rome's grandeur and architectural prowess. Imagine the roar of the crowd, the clash of gladiators. The energy was palpable, with every fight telling a story of bravery and survival. It's awe-inspiring. Arrive early to avoid the queues and to truly soak in the magnificence of this ancient arena without the hustle and bustle of the crowds. Afterward, wander through the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Rome. This sprawling area was once the center of public life, filled with markets, temples, and vibrant discussions. Picture the bustling marketplace, the Senate debates, the triumphs of emperors. Each corner of the forum whispers tales of political intrigue and grand celebrations. In the afternoon, escape the midday sun at the Pantheon, a masterpiece of Roman engineering. This ancient temple, now a church, has stood the test of time with its impressive dome. Notice the oculus, it's the only light source. This architectural marvel allows natural light to flood the interior, creating a serene and almost mystical atmosphere. End your day with a leisurely stroll around Piazza Navona. This lively square, with its Baroque architecture and vibrant street performers, is the perfect place to unwind. The fountains are magical at night. Illuminated and dancing with light, they add a touch of enchantment to the evening air. Enjoy dinner at a traditional trattoria. Try the cacio e pepe. This simple yet delicious Roman dish is a must-try, offering a true taste of local cuisine. Today we're off to Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. This tiny yet immensely significant enclave is the spiritual and administrative heart of the Roman Catholic Church. Despite its size, Vatican City is packed with history, art, and culture. Marvel at the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica, one of the largest churches in the world. Its stunning architecture and intricate details are a testament to centuries of craftsmanship and devotion. Don't miss Michelangelo's Pietà, a masterpiece of Renaissance sculpture. For the adventurous, the climb to the dome offers breathtaking views of Rome and beyond, a panorama that is truly unforgettable. Next, explore the Vatican Museums, home to an unparalleled collection of art and historical artifacts. Here, you'll find masterpieces by Michelangelo, Raphael, and countless other renowned artists. Each room tells a story of its own. The Sistine Chapel will leave you speechless with its awe-inspiring ceiling painted by Michelangelo. The intricate details and vibrant colors are a visual feast that captures the essence of Renaissance art. In the afternoon, cross the Tiber River to Trastevere, a charming neighborhood with cobblestone streets and ivy-covered buildings. This area is known for its vibrant atmosphere and rich history, offering a glimpse into the everyday life of Romans. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleyways, browse artisan shops, and soak up the bohemian atmosphere. Trastevere is a haven for artists and creatives, making it a perfect place to find unique souvenirs and enjoy the local culture. In the evening, enjoy a traditional Roman dinner in Trastevere, where you can savor authentic Italian cuisine. Afterward, immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere with live music in one of the many bustling squares. It's the perfect way to end a day full of exploration and discovery. Day 3, Dolce Vita and Hidden Gems. Today, we dive deeper into the heart of Rome, exploring its iconic landmarks and hidden treasures. Start your day with a visit to the Trevi Fountain, one of the most famous fountains in the world. Arrive early to enjoy the serene morning light and avoid the crowds. Legend says tossing a coin over your shoulder ensures your return to Rome. Make a wish and become part of this timeless tradition. Next, climb the Spanish Steps for panoramic city views. Please note that it is not allowed to sit on the stairs. Enjoy a gelato break. It's mandatory in Rome. With countless flavors to choose from, it's a delightful way to cool down and indulge in a sweet treat. In the afternoon, escape the crowds at the Borghese Gallery, home to masterpieces by Bernini and Caravaggio. Wander through its halls and marvel at the stunning art collection. Book your tickets in advance to ensure you don't miss out on this cultural gem. The gallery's limited entry policy makes for a more intimate experience. For a taste of La Dolce Vita, stroll along Via Veneto, the epitome of Roman chic. This elegant street is lined with cafes, luxury hotels, and stylish locals. End your day with a romantic dinner overlooking the city. As the sun sets, the city lights up, providing the perfect backdrop for a memorable evening, the perfect finale to your Roman holiday. Essential tips for your Roman holiday. Rome is best explored on foot, so pack comfortable shoes. The city gets crowded, so book accommodations and tours in advance, especially during peak season, April through June and September through October. Learn a few basic Italian phrases. It's appreciated. Be aware of pickpockets, especially in crowded areas. Finally, embrace the unexpected. Rome is full of surprises around every corner. Ready for your own Roman adventure? Rome is calling! This itinerary is just a starting point. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine, Rome offers something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to create your own unforgettable Roman adventure. If you've enjoyed these tips and would love more travel inspiration, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel adventures.